Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, this is the same bird which I was talking about, which is in my home. Now you can see her clearly in front. This is how her face looks like. Such a beautiful bird. She's not a pigeon. I don't know what species she is. Her head is light grey in color. Her feathers are dark green, and then her breast here is light brown with orange, and at the back of her tail she's dark yellow underneath, and the tail is light brown. She's so beautiful. Since her skin, the feather is green in color, it camouflages with the hibiscus tree, as you can see. She has laid eggs and she's warming up the eggs. Sooner or later, she's the mother, of course. So the egg will hatch. I don't know how many small birds is going to come. It's a very beautiful bird. She's quite huge. She's not a small bird. She's quite huge. And so beautiful. She's looking at me. I'm not going to go too near, because I'm scared that she will fly, so I don't want to frighten her. Now I can zoom a bit. You can see where she is. She built the nest just underneath the tree. That's why I'm scared that my dogs will go and disturb her. Now you can see where she is. See, this is where she is. So beautiful, and let her enjoy herself in her self-built nest. Thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen.